Deceptions, rejections, injustices, physical pains, and illnesses are all part of the human condition. No matter who you are, how much you earn, or what possessions you have, you will inevitably face devastating experiences and difficult emotions in life. You will lose loved ones and confront the reality of death. So, how do you maintain mental resilience in the face of all this? Ignoring these universal truths or denying them only makes us vulnerable when we encounter adversity. Stoicism, on the other hand, offers a proactive and anticipatory approach. By deliberately training your mind, you can cultivate inner strength to withstand even life's harshest difficulties. Seneca's Stoic philosophy, a collection of letters from a prominent Roman philosopher, statesman, and playwright from 4 BC to 65 AD, offers valuable insights and practical advice on how to cultivate mental strength and resilience. Stoicism teaches individuals to develop mental resilience and the ability to face life's challenges with composure and poise. In this video, we present 6 ways to become mentally resilient based on Stoic philosophy. These insights can help you develop a mindset and the tools necessary to face life's difficulties with courage and strength. Before we delve into this incredible knowledge, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on any valuable insights. After all, it could change your life. 1. Focus on one task at a time. Seneca believed in the importance of living in the present moment and the value of giving our full attention to everything we do. Being everywhere, or multitasking, prevents us from fully engaging in and experiencing our current circumstances, leading to a sense of detachment and inhibiting genuine connection with the world. In today's age, multitasking is the norm, but it often comes at the cost of our inner happiness and mental well-being. Society often equates engagement in multiple projects with accomplishment and satisfaction, but we shouldn't ignore the price it exacts on our mental exhaustion and potential burnout. Seneca suggests focusing on one task at a time to increase productivity and reduce distractions. For example, when reading, he advises dedicating our full attention to the text before us. By immersing ourselves in the words on the page and eliminating distractions, we can derive deeper meaning, gain a profound understanding, and truly relish the joy of reading. This focused approach enables us to engage fully with the material, expanding our knowledge and enhancing our intellectual abilities. In our daily lives, Seneca encourages us to concentrate on the task at hand, whether it's work, studies, or a conversation. Engaging fully with the material can enhance our understanding and skills. By giving our complete attention to each task, we can achieve higher quality, productivity, and fulfillment. This intentional focus allows us to avoid the pitfalls of multitasking, fostering significant progress and excellence in our activities. Seneca placed great importance on time management. He believed that time is a precious resource, and how we use it determines the quality of our existence. Therefore, focusing on one task at a time has the potential to manage our time effectively. Seneca recognized that trying to juggle multiple tasks simultaneously leads to inefficiency and reduced productivity. Imagine this scenario: you have 1 hour to organize and clean your house before a commitment, and as you begin your tasks, you stop to respond to some text messages on your phone. You remember an important work email that needs urgent attention, and you have 2 phone calls to make. You also need to feed your dog. Before you know it, the timer on your phone goes off, and your hour is up. You have 4 tasks started and none completed. You need to rush to your commitment to avoid being late. When we allow ourselves to be pulled in multiple directions, our ability to be fully present is compromised. Thus, Seneca encourages us to organize our minds and dedicate our attention to the task at hand. By doing so, we improve our mental well-being because we conserve energy, which, in turn, enhances our productivity. This approach allows us to make better use of our time while fortifying our minds against distractions. By practicing this principle, we develop greater focus and a deeper connection with the present moment. 2. Control your impulses. Seneca believed that philosophy should teach us how to live, not just how to speak. He thought that everyone should strive to align their actions with their beliefs and that this consistency is essential for virtuous living. Seneca discouraged impulsive desires, which he saw as a potential trap for moral weakness. He believed that giving into uncontrolled impulses could lead to a lack of discipline and a fractured character. Instead, he recommended practicing self-control and restraint, even in the face of strong temptations. This would ultimately lead to a more virtuous and resilient life. We often act on impulse without considering the consequences. Seneca's philosophy suggests that to develop mental resilience, we should gain mastery over our impulses and make deliberate choices that align with our values. For example, when we feel the temptation to procrastinate, Seneca advises us to pause and reflect on the consequences. By recognizing the negative outcomes associated with putting off tasks, we can overcome the impulse and choose to work on the assignment at hand. This intentional act of self-discipline strengthens our mental resilience, making us better equipped to handle life's challenges. 3. Develop a sense of gratitude. It's easy to get caught up in the fast-paced world we live in and focus on what we don't have rather than what we do. This mindset can lead to feeling dissatisfied and always wanting more. However, Seneca believed that cultivating gratitude was key to mental resilience. To become mentally stronger, it's important to appreciate the present moment and recognize the blessings in our lives. Seneca suggested regularly reflecting on the positive aspects of our existence as a way to practice gratitude. Doing so can help us develop a more positive outlook and cope better with adversity. Every day, take a few moments to think about the things you're grateful for. It could be your loved ones, your health, the opportunities you've had, or the experiences that have shaped you. By focusing on these positive aspects, you can shift your perspective from scarcity to abundance. This change in mindset can boost your mental resilience and help you better handle the challenges of life. 4. Embrace adversity. Life is not always a smooth journey. It is filled with twists, turns, and obstacles. Seneca's philosophy teaches individuals to embrace adversity as a means of growth and self-improvement. When faced with challenging situations, Seneca advises viewing them as opportunities for personal development. Instead of resisting or avoiding adversity, embrace it as a chance to build mental resilience and inner strength. This shift in perspective can help confront difficulties with courage and determination. For instance, if you are confronted with a challenging project at work or a personal setback, Seneca suggests reframing your mindset. Rather than seeing it as a burden, consider it a chance to prove your capabilities and grow as a person. By approaching adversity in this way, you become more adaptable and less susceptible to stress and negative emotions. 5. Maintain perspective. Seneca believed that perspective is a powerful tool. He emphasized the importance of looking at life's challenges in the context of the bigger picture. When faced with difficulties, he recommended taking a step back and considering the broader scope of your life. For instance, in times of setbacks or failures, Seneca suggested reminding yourself of your past achievements and the progress you've made. By keeping a long-term perspective, you can prevent temporary setbacks from overwhelming you. This practice strengthens your mental resilience and enables you to persevere through tough times. 6. Prepare for the worst. Seneca believed in a technique called premeditation malorum, which involves contemplating potential hardships and adversities. Rather than avoiding or denying the possibility of difficulties, he encouraged individuals to mentally prepare for them. By acknowledging the existence of potential challenges, you can develop a plan for how to cope with them. This proactive approach makes you more resilient when facing adversity because you have already considered and prepared for it. You won't be caught off guard, and you'll be better equipped to handle difficult situations. In conclusion, Stoic philosophy, as explained by Seneca, provides valuable insights into developing mental resilience. By focusing on one task at a time, controlling your impulses, cultivating gratitude, embracing adversity, maintaining perspective, and preparing for the worst, you can strengthen your inner fortitude and face life's challenges with courage and composure. As we conclude this video, remember to embrace the teachings of Stoicism and apply them in your life. It's not about becoming emotionless or immune to hardship, but rather about developing the mental resilience needed to navigate life's ups and downs with strength and grace. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, please hit the like button, subscribe to Stoic today, and turn on notifications. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. What's your take on Stoic philosophy, and how have these principles helped you in your life? Your insights might inspire others on their journey to greater mental resilience.